Hey guys, today I'm gonna talk about the Black Dragon Cryptomeria. This is one of my favorite evergreens. I used to have one in a container in the front garden. I decided to move it to the back. For some reason, I damaged the roots and I killed it. Anyways, I got this to replace it, and it doesn't have the best shape, but I know that once the roots take on, the branches are gonna start growing, and it's gonna take all the form. This only grows about 7 feet tall and 4 feet wide, 3 to 4 feet wide. It grows well in my zone 7, and like I said, I had it for 2 years, and it did amazing. It didn't require nothing of me. I didn't do anything special with it. I'm gonna put it right where the pedestal with the planter is, in that corner. I always want something in that corner. I couldn't find what I wanted. I didn't want something too big that could overgrow and be obstructive when you coming down the stairs. So this is the best solution I have, and also happens to be one of my favorite plants. And I got it on sale, which I am so excited. It was 50% off. So I ended up paying about 30 for it, which is a really good price. I just saw one today in another store, and it was, about 12 inches high, and it was 70. So I am really happy with this. Over here, I am moving some and taking out some onions that I had in there. They need to be cleaned out anyways. I also need to move out the pedestal and the planter from here. I don't know yet where I'm gonna put them, but I'm gonna find another space for it. Because right here is the perfect place for the Cryptomeria. I am gonna have to battle many rocks in here, because every time you try to dig in, you find either rocks or pebbles, and it's it's difficult to dig, but I am used to it, and I use the hole digger to make it easy on me. I'm checking to see if I like it, and I actually love it. I couldn't be more happier with that. It's perfect on that location. Let us get started. This is very, very root down. The roots are coming out from the bottom of the container. And I don't think I'm gonna be able to just pull it out. I'm gonna have to get something and break the container. I scratched the roots a little bit with the knife. I just need to move it, see if I like it. But other than that, I think it's a very good location. I don't know if I mentioned that this plant prefer full sun, and over here it's gonna get full sun. So I think it's gonna be very happy. This is how the flower bed is looking now. You don't see much difference, right? But eventually you will. And this is where I put the container at the end of the flower bed. This is all I have for you guys today. Bye.